Okay, let's start playing. Yes. Woo! Ow. Merry Christmas. Yes. Oh yeah, we're gonna hit all the screen. Yes, we're gonna do a race. Really? Yeah, we're gonna do a crash hitting game. Yes! Gemini knows we're playing. I said have fun. Which is the only thing I said. Yeah. Nice music I hear. Yeah. I'm the Lamborghini. Okay. No. Let's shift off. Yes. All right then. Now, we'll sit right here. Nah. Bye, Mama. Kau dah penting. Ni tak. Bye, Okay, now. Okay, Master, you drive over there. Okay. It's gonna be a wonderful track for us. So this road is the track for us. I better go over here. So you guys gonna head to us. Hey, you got away from me also. So you need to hit us instead. Like this. Okay. Let's see who can hit Mazda and Audi. Oh yeah, I can do it actually. Okay, stay behind the line. Okay, alright. Yes. I'll have playing instead. Yeah. I like more than work. I feel like just be a kid. We are toy cars, collectible cars we are. Lamborghini, big Lamborghinis in the basement, and space car also. Do we need to stay in lines? Yeah. Before the biggest race starts. Hello, Gemini. You know us, right? How to race together. Now the bigger cars, we're gonna do it then. Now man, because I have a damaged tire, you're a Volvo. Yeah, Volvo cars. Wait for me. We are cars. We love to race on the road. Yeah, I am not a sir. No, a sir is an adult man. I am not an adult man. No. Okay, you guys gotta stay behind the lines. Well, I'm the first one. Okay. Are you ready, race car? I mean, gray car? Yep. 3, 2, 1. Oh, shit! Wait for me. I'm gonna make this the biggest hit. Oh my god, be careful! Wait for me! 1. Wait. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Well done! I'll hit like this. Oh! Nice hit! Oh yeah, wait for me. This is our police car. Watch this. Oh, be careful, don't crack the screen on the iPad. Wait for me. Now it's my turn. I'm the fastest Lamborghini. Whoa! Now my turn. Ow! Wait for me, I'm Mazda. Oh my god, damn it. My bumper broke. Now my turn. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Now my turn. I'm the fastest boost in the world. Yeah. Now my turn. Ow. Sorry. Oh, what a hit, man. Let's make them both race. 3, 2, 1. We didn't win. I am a truck. Why are you flying? I'm a fuck! Oh, what a hit! Two more cars are left too. Hey, I want to race too. I'm the biggest boost. Dude, what a winner! Yeah. That's not a race. This is a race. Okay, everyone come back. Oh my god, my bumper! Oh my god, what you did to me. Oh, my bumper broke. Holy crap. I need to die. You'll send this video to YouTube. Lovely song. Shit. Holy shit. Oops, Muscle's bumper broke. Holy shit. Sorry, I gotta fix this. The comments will be off. Now, whatever, don't worry. Dude, his bumper broke. Yeah. I'm still okay. Gotta go back. Okay, come on, guys, drive back. 1, 2, 3. Meow. Lamborghini have a giant boost. Meow. Meow. Look here. I'm not destroying it. I'm just doing this normally. Whoa, Gregor is so fast. Ow, be careful. Sorry, I'm not smashing. That's what I do always. Ow, be careful. Oopsie, I'm sorry. Oops. What? Meow. Meow. 1, 2, 3. Meow. Hey. Oops, my car's. It's okay. Dude, come hold them here. Oopsie. Oh my god, there's a monster right there. Owie. Dude, where is White McLaren? He must be. Oh, here he is. He dropped inside the shoes. Oh! Guys, you gotta drive very carefully. Oh, I crashed! Dude! The timer's gonna end. Should we just end the video? Yeah. Oh no. Okay, now we did it. Now, let's end the video. See ya!